Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
My name is Pres.Bola Tinubu. Okay, now, question yesterday is not much. Question is, share you buy for English. Anyone you like. Okay, so President Tinubu ransom to the bandits that kidnapped students in Kaduna State. Okay. So what can you say about that?
So I can see that this security of this country is not even okay again. I would plead our government to empower our military people so that they can have the ability to work and give them the results. Because let's assume that a soldier that you have been paying some of 40,000 or 50,000 naira per month, and you have been sending them to that Boko Haram to go and face the war, and the government does not even care about them. Even though when they die on the war, government don't have anything to compensate them, their family, and which is not even good. So we advise our president to sit down and look at it, what they can do for all these military people, so that they can empower them more. They can give them the hand to work, so that they can deliver what they want for them. So that's I wanted to say about the insecurity of this country. We are not okay of being insecurity of this country like this.
Nigeria have not been Islamized by the Fulani Caliphate.
Yeah.
Nigeria have not been Islamized by the Fulani. Nigeria have not been Islamized by the Fulani Caliphate. What can you say about that? Nigeria, Nigeria is
I will talk about that one. I can see that it's not about the religion. The way I'm just seeing it, it's not about the religion, because it's about the frustration. Even though people are being frustrated and anything can happen and they can go and undo. So what they are doing is that they don't want this government to. I can't even explain that one, because only God knows that one. I can't explain it. Yeah?
What can you say about Nigeria?
Oh, what I can see by this Nigeria today is that Nigeria is not doing okay, to be sincere. So people have been hungry have been killing people up and down. So many people have strength to work. There is no work outside. Even though when they work, they don't have enough money to sustain their life or to buy their food stuff. They are selling bag of rice 86,000 naira. So you are collecting, let's assume that minimum wages is what? It's 3,000 naira. Let me use a corp member as an example. So corp member that they are collecting 33,000 naira. Okay, you calculate the 33,000 naira within a month. So even though the 1,000 naira cannot even sustain the corp member again, and let's assume I'm already a graduate, I already passed through this thing. So you will pay some of you will pay CDA, you will pay the project something, you will be paying all this money, even though the allowance they are giving them is not even okay with them at all. So what are we saying? So how that person will be at the end of their service, how they will be having a savings? They can have a savings, all their money. So and after they have finished their service, there is no job. All of them have been jobless. So even though some people have already decided that they don't want, even though I'm looking about the education of this country. This education of this country, when things are going like this, the education of this country will going down, because I can remember majority people have been graduates and they don't have any job. So how do I expecting me to spend my children again go to school at the end of the day when me are going to school and I can't use the certificate to work, and if you're expecting my children again going back to school? Yes, I'm a graduate. I'm graduate from a hospital with agricultural lecturer, and I'm serving in Castina. I finished serving my Castina. I can
What's your
I'm a crop scientist. So how do you expect me to be sponsor my children again, going back to school? I will go and borrow money again. At the end of the day, you teach or come back to farmer again or come to your father work again. So I can see that economy of the country, I mean this the Nigerian people, yeah, these Nigerian people does the education of this Nigeria now does not even encourage our youth to go back to school. That's the reason why most of the people have been going to Yahoo. They have been using. They are not even though the country is already frustration don't even allow people to work again. I can't say more than that, sir.
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.